Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure the Chromebook is powered and online. Plug the charger in because updates can pause if the battery gets low. Once connected, join a stable Wi-Fi network. Next, sign in with the owner or admin account so you have permission to initiate the update process. Now open the status area at the lower right, click the gear icon for settings, and keep the settings page open. This is where you'll trigger the actual update. Once in settings, go to About Chrome OS. You'll see the current version and an option to check for updates. Click Check for Updates and watch the progress. Downloads happen in the background, but don't close the lid or disconnect Wi-Fi. If the device needs to prepare the update, let it finish. This can take several minutes. Make sure you save any open files because the system will often prompt to restart. Accept that restart so the new build can install and finalize. After the update completes and the Chromebook restarts, return to About Chrome OS to confirm the version changed. This verifies success. If some features seem missing, reboot once more. Certain updates finish on a second start. Make sure your app's open and your data is intact. If the update fails or the device won't boot, here's the key troubleshooting tip. Restart, confirm stable Wi-Fi and power, then retry. If that fails, create a recovery USB with the Chromebook recovery utility on another computer.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.